Make a great choice today with the 2015 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.